Let me see them, Audrey. Let me see them. Here you see my auntie Audrey. Yes. Let me see them, Audrey. Audrey. Let me see them. Yes, here's my auntie Audrey right here. Fly down from New York. Let me see the cashew them. And she have some Jamaican cashew in her hand. Yes. See it there. See it there. What you do, Ross? You eat up some cashew meat. Chang up. Chang up yourself. Yeah. See it there. What? Yeah. Them drop them all mash out still in the Rasta man I pick some things for him. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see one of them. Let me see one of them. Yes, here you have the cashew meat. Nice, nice cashew meat this. See? There's the seed. Yeah. That's cashew. Yes, yes, yes.
Blend out them.
Yeah, blend these, you know, good. We have good front end lifter, them say, you know. More life. Yeah.
You see, I know that.
See the cashew tree.
I don't mean not gone bad, man. Yeah. That means nothing really good people and I think. Not really fatter, but you know.
Browner.
More natural. More natural. Yeah, more natural. Yeah.
See them look beautiful.
How are they, man? See the cashew blossom right there. That's how we look, you know.
I used to come, I look at that down to some. I don't want to get. I just pass on to that. Which one?
I read the sun.
Just so you know, yeah. Yeah, man, you mean, man.
How long is the cafeteria there, man? Big pan we are boil. Come see it there. Come see the cafeteria there now.
I'm not ready yet, man.
That's how it's
You know, saying not ready yet.
Alright, done.
Hey, put back and sit up and let the line up, please.